he's quiet. I like it. I will give myself to you.
Yeah, but he's harder to clean up.
And he costs more money than
Oh yeah, he's very expensive.
What do you mean harder to clean up? Clean up the cage?
Well, yeah,
pain in the butt.
because he poops so much. And it's expensive.
You
That
don't have to walk.
no, that's true. That bedding stuff is really expensive.
Why can't you use it in
Why
all
can't
the
you use
paper?
Why can't you use a shredded paper?
Yeah.
That's even more painful.
Why? You just shred in the newspaper.
No. When you put it in there, it mats down on the bottom. So
It sticks to his feet too.
It sticks to his feet, and you have to like scrape it.
Finger.
You can't take them.
Oh,
can't
just guess. You mean just guess?
Hey, everybody, I call sitting right here.
You do.
Yeah. The only thing that's allowed to sit there is either me or Storm.
I saw that. Yeah, he'll like that. Oh, he said he wanted rice too.